Just like a plant, families are more likely to thrive in nurturing communities. Every day, we can help positive childhood experiences take root. Right now, thousands of people throughout Colorado are planting pinwheels as a reminder of the bright childhoods we want for all children. We are still trying to adapt and understand the new landscape that this pandemic has created, as well as the repercussions for our children. The risk of child abuse and neglect in times of extreme stress and uncertainty is high. We know that COVID 19 has increased stress levels in parents and caregivers. Now, more than ever, we need to connect to one another and strengthen families. As a Colorado legislator, I sponsored Senate Bill 20 28, a substance use disorder recovery bill, to advocate for families and children. When we help parents, we help kids. This new law addresses the way fear and stigma prevents pregnant people from accessing substance use recovery services. And more than that, it ensures families are provided holistic services when recovering from substance use disorders. Together, we can grow a better tomorrow for all children. I hope you will join me in learning how you can plant the seeds of a better tomorrow for children and families in your community. Order your free pinwheels and learn more by visiting copinwheelsforprevention.org. Help positive childhood experiences take root. Thank you.
Hi, this is State Senator Chris Hansen, and I want you to know we have prioritized in this year's budget the resources we need to make sure our children and our families are safe. It's been a tough year. We know we need the extra resources to keep kids safe, and we're delivering in Colorado.
My name is Yadira Carabo, and I'm the State House Representative for District 31. When I'm not in the legislature, I'm a pediatrician, and over the last year, because of coronavirus social distancing, we've seen a really huge reduction in the number of child abuse cases reported, which for me as a pediatrician is really concerning. Kids have been out of school and out of their pediatrician's office, places where really we pick up on cases of abuse. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and so I'm really supportive of any kind of legislation that will further protect children, and we need to be really cognizant of the fact that children are at risk, even when they're at home, unfortunately, and that we all need to be together looking out for their well-being. Make sure to order one of your pinwheels. We're trying to get 40,000 pinwheels out into the community to show our support for reducing child abuse in Colorado. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Brittany Pedersen, State Senator from Lakewood, and April is our Child Abuse Prevention Month, and it couldn't be more important as families have been stressed. It's a historic time that we've gone through with the struggles that families are facing because of the pandemic and lack of access to childcare and shelter and going to school, and so unfortunately our kids across Colorado have been at even greater risk of child abuse. So it's really important that we show our support by planting our pinwheels at our house or putting it in the backgrounds of our Zoom to show our support. And it's also incredibly important. We have this historic opportunity with the federal dollars coming down at the state and local levels to make sure that the families that have been hit the hardest, who are the most at risk right now, are getting the supports that they need, and that we're ensuring that our children in Colorado are protected and supported.
Hello there, this is State Senator Rhonda Fields. I bring you greetings from the state capitol, and I want to encourage you to stay focused on children, especially during this COVID time, because I believe that we can prevent child abuse, but it takes all of us making sure that every child has a healthy start, a safe start, and a head start.
Hi, I'm Judy Amabile, State Representative for House District 13, and I wanted to talk for a minute about how we can protect children in our state and give them the best start possible. We really all have to come together as a community and make sure that families have the resources they need to keep their children safe and healthy. We have to address food insecurity and housing insecurity, and we have to make sure that families that are struggling get the mental health supports they need. I'm running a bill this session called the Colorado Child Abuse Prevention Trust Fund. And that board is going to work on big ideas to address the underlying causes of child maltreatment. I hope you'll join me in supporting families all over Colorado. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity to talk about the children today and what we need to do for them. You know, they are our future. The world depends on raising them healthy, educated, and ready to go to work.
Hi everyone, my name is Serena Gonzalez Gutierrez, State Representative for House District 4, located in Northwest and West Denver. I am a proud supporter of Child Abuse Awareness Month here in April, and I want to show my support by planting pinwheels. I have done this before with my children. I have 3 children, and this is incredibly important work. I have been a caseworker for the Department of Human Services, and I currently continue to work in the field, working with children, youth, and families that are involved in multiple systems. And some of the things that we have seen over the years that have created inequities with the families that we work with are sometimes just making sure that folks are getting their basic needs met, which can sometimes lead to issues around abuse and neglect. And so I am incredibly proud of the fact that we strive towards doing a lot of prevention work to prevent those types of things from happening and providing basic needs for families and kids to keep them out of the system. And I hope that you remember to order your pinwheel. We want to have as many pinwheels out there in our community as possible. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm Senator Joanne Janal. I represent Senate District 14 in Fort Collins. This year has been very hard on children, and whether it's child abuse through physical abuse or through mental abuse, this has got to stop. I urge everyone to support April as Child Abuse Awareness Month and tell their personal stories as well as their support for what's being done by organizations like Illumina.
April's Child Abuse Prevention Month here at the Colorado State Legislature, and as a legislator myself, I think it's such important work to keep continuing to advocate for this issue and raise it to the forefront. I look forward to supporting legislation to keep kids safe here in Colorado, and hope that everybody takes some time to think about how child abuse has impacted their life this week.
Every day, you can plant seeds for all children to grow up healthy and happy. Together, our actions help positive childhood experiences take root and flourish. Planting pinwheels represents the bright childhoods we all want for children. Illuminate Colorado is giving away 40,000 free pinwheels to inspire Coloradans to grow a better tomorrow for all children together. Visit copinwheelsforprevention.org to order your free pinwheels today. Follow the hashtag Growing Better Together on social media to connect to the movement in your community.